Hi viewers, welcome to Tia's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make potato stir fry and coconut rice. First we'll heat the pot. 1 tablespoon of oil. Let it become hot. We'll make a coarse paste of coconut and little tamarind. We'll coarsely grind 2 dry red chilies and few shallots, small onion. We'll add a teaspoon of jeera, curry leaves, onion and red chili paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Stir well. Now I'll add chopped potatoes, 3 medium-sized potatoes. Add salt as per taste. Keep the flame in medium. If you want to add more oil, you can add more oil. We'll cover and cook for some time. We'll check if it is cooked. Yes, it's cooked. Check if it is cooked. Yes, done. Iron pot adds extra flavor to the dish. We'll add chopped garlic. Coconut and tamarind. Little coconut oil. Switch on the flame. Keep it covered for some time. Now I'll show you how to make coconut rice. We'll heat the pot. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. One teaspoon of mustard seeds. Chana dal. Let it sputter. Add a teaspoon of jeera, dry chilies, red dry chilies, curry leaves and small onion. Let it become tender. Add a teaspoon of salt. Later you can add as per your taste. 1 bowl of coconut, grated coconut. Stir well. Now I'll add cooked rice to this. This is the size of the glass, 1 glass of rice. Mix well. Now add salt as per taste. Mix well. I've added grated carrot to this. This is optional. Add little coconut oil. Mix well. Add chopped coriander leaves. You can add grated beetroot and carrot also, like it is good for its health. It's the only way to make the meat. One of the way to make the meat. It's ready. Coconut rice and potato stir fry is a very good combination. Give it a try. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.